Make your
just
speech.
want to say thank you
Oh my God. Go.
to everybody, except for all the bitches who's giving me stress on my wedding, or planning my wedding. You guys suck. All of you who's giving me stress, you guys suck. I love everybody.
Who's that? Who's that?
Name please.
It starts with letter secret. I'm not gonna say any names. I think I know. I'm not stupid to do that. I know I'm drunk, but I'm not gonna do
Is that it?
Thank you. I'm not expecting this.
I love you.
I love you, Mangi. I love you, Mangi. I love you, Laurie Jane.
Oh, so you're on her shit list.
But it's okay. I love you still. You're my baby. Mona Murphy.
Yes, my dear.
Oh, nothing. You scared me.
If you get knocked up, don't blame me.
Juliana!
Bring your bullhorn on rehearsal.
I don't think I put you on the card that I
You
sent
did
your
it.
mom.
You did it.
Okay, but you're invited, okay? Morning, Cat, Morning, Louise. Thank you for coming.
Oh my God.
Morning, Jess! Where are you?
You're gonna be like, your son is hot.
Your son is cute. Beware of the girls, okay? Laurie Jane is here.
Oh my God.
Well, the family.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My mom-in-law. I love you.
No more tita. Okay, no more tita.
Okay, Mom.
I'd be like, oh.
And my two cousins.
Sister.
Oh, sister.
Sissy.
Cece. I love you.
She's fine.
That's it.
Say bye.
To my mom and my dad.
Oh,
Relax.
zip it.
Okay? I got you.
Show us what you learned. What did you learn inside today?
Yeah.
I learned inside today.
How to. Oh yeah.
Boom! Right there.
And what else did you learn?
I learned how to blow job.